how to see post states and analytics on your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your WordPress dashboard like this. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to posts and click here all posts, and here you will find all your posts. All what you have to do, for example, to see this post analytics and states, go here, click on those three dots and click on states. Now here you will find all your post views easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.